Hey everyone, I'm making this video today to show you something really cool. It's brand new. I just got it and I want to share my unboxing experience with you. This is a special DS Lite shell. As some of you know, I do refurbs for DS Lites, and this one is a special one. It just came out. I don't think I've seen one built with this shell yet, so maybe I'll be one of the first, who knows. This is a Super Nintendo themed DS Lite shell. How freaking cool is that? I cannot wait to get this put together. That is so cool. I might even keep that for myself instead of selling it. I actually have another one, but so I'll buy one and I'll sell one and I'll keep one. You got a couple different sets of buttons. You got, let's see, lavender, light gray. Oh, there's a dark gray. And of course a purple. That's pretty cool. 4 sets. And it looks like they give you enough that you could make them all purple or all gray or just mix and match however you want. That's pretty awesome. Their Pokédex themed shell that they have is very similar to that. Comes with 3 or 4 different colors of buttons as well. And then you get the usual tools in there. There's a matching gray stylus. That's pretty awesome. Yeah, pretty standard. This is new. I haven't seen this before. The installation guide sticker that's on the inside. I haven't been to this this URL yet. I'm assuming it's a video. I don't know. But yeah, just wanted to share with you guys this brand new shell from eXtremeRate. Obviously, they sell it on their website. I got this one from their store down in AliExpress, I believe. But I mean, either way, it comes from the same place. They usually ship them out right from California, so I think they have a stateside distributor here. But thanks for watching. If you could hit like on my video, I really appreciate that. Subscribe if you want. I occasionally put out DS Lite repair videos. If you want to check out my other videos, you can see some of the other stuff that I've done. I will at some point be putting together an entire DS Lite repair video, but it's very time consuming because the camera doesn't like to cooperate. It shakes all over the place, it moves, and honestly I think my camera is actually kind of crap. The angle anyway really sucks. But thank you for watching. I'll catch you later.